All right, so I'm not a big fan of texture on a wall that's just disgusting. So we're doing a skim coat over this thing. You want to have two blades. Okay, this one is to get the mud on the wall. Only purpose is to get the mud on the wall. Spread it out. This guy is to actually get it nice and smooth. So check this out. I also like to wear socks when I'm doing drywall mud because it's much better to have to change your socks if you step in a little slop that you didn't realize was there than if you're wearing shoes and you step in it and you didn't know it and then you walk around and it's stuck in carpet everywhere. Cleanup is much easier. So wear your socks, bare feet, whatever. So get it, try and get it so that it's not about to drip. And you just tuck it on there. Other thing, you don't want to pull it down. If you do, it'll slop on the ground. So I'm always going to pull it up. To spread it out, you can see the extra bit that I got. Then I'm not doing a real thick skim coat. Like it's not going to be level 5, like nice and flat. It's just going to cover the gunk enough. Once you get it spread out enough, then you just do like some figure eights over the top of it. All right, step 1, get mud on the wall. Step 2, spread it out. Step 3, make it smooth. Now I'm going to push in on one corner of the blade so that this has the edge on the bottom and this feathers it up top. Get a stripe, just get the gunk out with your finger. Wipe it on your jeans. This washes out, it's just dust and chalk. So you get the corners and then work it into the middle. It's beautiful. Wait for it to dry a little bit. You can see we've got these cool little feathers in here. We'll sand this down barely with a wet sponge. You can see this will dry beautifully, but all that texture, let's see, check this out. Before, after. It's gonna be beautiful.